Right, here we go. We're going on a road trip, me and Mr. Hare. So we'll catch you when we get there. I have no idea where we're going, but I'm assuming Mr. Hare does.
Absolutely, I know. It's all in control, don't worry.
Track's not brilliant, but it's better than Stoneflare, isn't it?
Yes, it's atrocious now, apparently.
Is it?
Well, he's not there anymore, is he?
No.
Oh, quick. We are. Do you know, Peter? Here, right?
Yes.
Apparently, Mary Queen of Scots was beheaded here.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were just imprisoned.
No,
she was beheaded.
Beheaded here. This is true. Apparently, I've just found this out.
Yeah. Who told you that?
I don't know, but we'll tell Gareth. He can put it on one of his videos.
Oh, yeah, oh God.
But apparently, she was beheaded here and then moved. But her entrails, get this, are still here.
Shut up.
No, straight up.
That is mental. No. Yeah. In fact, don't tell him, because if he puts it in a video, he'll probably mention it 20 times. You know what it's like.
Classic.
With the main focus of the video, Power J, bless him.
So
here we are.
And then you got to go and see her.
Well, you see this GoPro stabilisation footage. Right, where's that? There we are. Oh, hello.
I'll just park randomly for now.
Yeah. Hello, hello. So here we are at a very sunny Fotheringay campsite. I guess I'm at somewhere in Lincolnshire. I came here in somebody else's car, so I'm not really sure. So we're here with some mates and we're just doing like an overnighter. But the site is really beautiful. Right next to a river down there. So I think we're gonna head out on the boats and go for a bit of a paddle. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's about 25 degrees, so yeah, we're already a couple of drinks in. We'll bring you back when we're on the water.
There we go. Right. Fancy pushing him in, Peter. Fuck's sake.
Did not expect that to happen.
Over there.
See that.
We've never been with a cripple before.
Mr. Hare just fell in and he's blaming me for some reason. Just back me up.
Him in.
So here we are, out in the water. Oh man, it's beautiful. I think we're just going to paddle up to a lock. Up river or down river, I'm not really sure where. Gareth and Zoe over there, getting in theirs. Cool, let's go.